Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, we are going to talk about FFORDER Fulfillment Dropshipping. FFORDER has a mature and efficient dropshipping system. One-click building of Shopify to FFORDER platform. So, if you are very interested about dropshipping, you wanted to start your dropshipping business with Shopify and you are looking a perfect dropshipping supplier platform and you wanted to a perfect company to use for your dropshipping business so that you can run your business without any investment just using Shopify and their platform, then you can try FFORDER Fulfillment. In this tutorials, I will share the full details about FFORDER Fulfillment Dropshipping. Also, I'll show you the total process how to start your business with FFORDER Fulfillment. So I hope you will continue this video, as this is very beginning level video of any new entrepreneur or new startup who wanted to start their entrepreneur journey as a dropshipper. So let's get started. Right now you can see that I am on the Google and search FFORDER, and if you search with FFORDER keyword you will find this result. So first of all we are going to this website. Okay, welcome. Maximize your dropshipping sales, all-in-one dropshipping solution. So nice, live support 24 hours in 7 days, 1 hour's average response time. That's very important for new entrepreneur or new business. Professional team support. Okay, no additional consultation or consulting fee, your one-stop solution that we will find in here. Okay, we'll know more about this. I am going to click on the see it in action, so click on it. So when I click on it, they bring me or go to the create a new account, where we can create our account. We have to add name, email, password, confirm password, phone number, invite code if you have any invitation code, and sales agent code if you have. Okay, we are not going to create our account right now. Before that we will find and we will try to know more deeply about this platform. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, and first of all we want to know how it works. That is very important. We are dedicated to providing a platform that fosters enhanced team collaboration and productivity. Our user-friendly interface make it simple and convenient for you to choose the best product to sell from thousands of dropshipping suppliers all over the world. Discover winning product. Step 1, receive and store order. Place order to FFORDER. Fulfill and track customer order. So simple. There are 4 steps to make a successful sales. First of all, you can discover winning product, then receive or and listing the product on your store, then place order to FFORDER, and then fulfill and track customer order. Okay, and still now they have 1 lakh plus dropshipper and 9 lakhs plus order managed and 1 million plus product available. Advantage of FFORDER's comprehensive supply chain service. This is very important. One-stop customized solution. Professional one-in-one support. That is super important things. Seamless fulfillment of dropshipping orders. Flexible and collaborative partnership. Hassle-free after-sales support. Intelligent stores and distraction. What can you get though FFORDER? Unless the potential with FFORDER. Okay, discover the range of service you can access when you join FFORDER. One-stop customized dropshipping solution. We provide not only product customization and private labeling service, but also tailor-made supply chain solution for you. From product selection to quality control, we offer comprehensive service to meet your various needs. Nice. Product customization, private labeling. Great. Seamless dropshipping platform integration service, offering efficient platform integration solution solution to simplify e-commerce operations, saving time and cost. We offer seamless platform integration service coupled with our comprehensive supply chain solution and in-house quality control. We ensure the efficient and smooth operation of the supply chain and product quality, enabling the development of your e-commerce business. So that's when we can easily integrate FF order with our Shopify or WooCommerce. Basically we are focused on Shopify. Okay, professional one-in-one assistant, we already know about that. Or free professional after sale guarantee. Okay, white label and private label, flexible and burden free corporation, seamless integration with your store. Looks here so easy. Okay, looks good. Experience the different, no upfront payment required. See it in action. Okay, we'll go to the action later. So I hope now you know a lot of things about FFORDER, but we are going to start our main work. This is how to create your account and set up everything to make it ready to integrate the product on your Shopify online store. And I will let you know everything about the dashboard admin panel of FFORDER in the next tutorial. So I hope you will stay connected with me to know more about this platform and how you can run your business with FFORDER. And step by step we'll go to the Shopify store design or set up everything and create a successful business by marketing, digital marketing, especially SEO and social media marketing, to make a successful business. Okay, so thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.